Yo, I'm Robbie and welcome to my channel Takago. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to draw anime character named Nezu from My Hero Academia. And if you guys love about this drawing stuff, put the like, comment and share this video. And don't forget to click subscribe and hit the bell to get notified my latest videos updates. And let's drawing. The first steps I do is rough drawing. It's useful to minimize mistakes when you do inking process. And this drawing was asked by someone who comments on my previous video. You can check it by click the link above or in the description. This is the rough drawing result. And the next step is inking process. This is why you should do rough drawing first before taking inking process. Even you do with rough drawing first, you will also get mistakes, but it will be a little. This is a good real-time inking process I showed you. Okay, in this part, I'm going a bit fasten up. this is the coloring step. I do the base color first. And in this part, on the shoes, I'm going to do blending color between brown color and yellow color to get the lighter brown color like in the anime. Okay, this is shading color step, and I'm not really good at this part, but when you do this part, you should know where the light comes from. In this drawing, the light was come from the front side. So, you should darken the part where the light did not reach the object. And in this drawing, I do darken the side and the back side. Thanks for watching until the end, and don't forget put a like, comment, share and subscribe on this channel. Sampai jumpa.